for a while until an end is apparent. I've been pressing my lips to a smile, just try to grin and bear it. Because every time that they open up, you can see that I got a fury that I cannot control yet. I'm not sure how much longer I can just sit in silence. I wanna hear you getting loud. Capsize me with the sound. Why don't you open up your mouth? Come and shake me down to the ground. 'Cause sometimes it takes a raging river to make the dam come crashing down. I wanna hear you getting loud, loud, loud. Trading my voice for a hope that things would just change without me. Then every single time that I spoke, the words would just be, I'm sorry. And then I would get buried under others' opinions and have to rearrange my life just to fit them. I wanna sing the same melody. I wanna hear you getting loud. Capsize me with the sound. Why don't you open up your mouth? Come and shake me down to the ground. 'Cause sometimes it takes a raging river to make the dam come crashing down. I wanna hear you getting loud, loud, loud. If you really want me, and want me completely. If you really want me completely. If you really want me completely. Not sure how much longer I can keep it down. I wanna hear you getting loud. Capsize me with the sound. Why don't you open up your mouth? Come and shake me down to the ground. 'Cause sometimes it takes a raging river to make the dam come crashing down. I wanna hear you getting loud, loud, loud. 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 it's like. All I need to know.